Out of 50, our next question is 11th question. That one is a Kirchhoff current law. So statement of Kirchhoff current law, algebraic sum of all the currents at meeting at any node point is equal to 0. It's mean here we have taken one node. So these two are incoming currents for this node and these three are outgoing currents for this node. So both incoming currents and outgoing currents are equal to 0. Okay, or otherwise we can talk about at particular node algebraic sum of all the currents are equal to 0. Whatever the statement is, you will be going to comfortable to write in external exam, you have to write it. If suppose for example algebraic sum of all the currents around the loop equal to 0, that one also I write, and at particular node incoming and outgoing currents are also equal, that one also I write statement. Good morning students. I have done 50 short answer and BW students. Out of these 50 bits you will get 30 marks. Just you have to spend 1 minute for each and every short answer, and for totally 50 questions you have to spend just 50 minutes. So I have done 50 videos. Okay, you just watch each and every video 1 minute only, and 50 minutes 50 videos. Then these questions will be useful for your external and lab external Viva also. Out of these 50 bits you will get 30 marks. So 5 short answer you will get, and out of these 50 bits you will get at least minimum 2 to 3 long answers. So totally you will get 30 marks. No need to spend more time to read those 50 bits. Just you have to use bus journey time to read these 50 questions and watch these 50 questions every day. So every day you watch in a sense, definitely these 50 short answers will be by hearted for you. So need to pass in BWE. Okay. If you feel this information is worthy and useful for you in the sense, subscribe my channel and then refer to your friends also. Your friends studying some other colleges, you have to refer this channel for your friends also. They will also use this opportunity. Thank you students, and all the best for your external exam.